Torrential slide value equivalent to $13.0900 a coin. The present range, $13.0100, $13.2200. The earlier day close, $13.1500. The change was 0.0600. 0.46%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Avax in a significant way. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset, cost at $13.02. Incredibly. Most extreme cost $15.99. Least cost $12.12 in a significant way. The kind of normal for the month $13.54. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $13.03. Change for July 0.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. Or so they thought. First and foremost, cost at $13.03. Greatest cost $14.92. Genuinely least cost $10.83. The normal for the month $12.92 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $12.91. Change for August 0.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023 in a significant manner. At the outset, cost at $12.91. Most extreme cost $12.91 in every practical sense. Least cost $11.08. The essentially normal for the month $12.20, which is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $11.91. Change for September 7.7%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. In spite of mainstream thinking. First and foremost, cost at $11.91 in an unobtrusive manner. Most extreme cost $11.91. Least cost $9.30. The especially normal for the month $10.78 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $10. Change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place, cost at $10.00, which fundamentally is very huge. Greatest cost $10.33. Truly least cost $8.97. Most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The truly normal for the month $9.74. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $9.65. Change for November 3.5%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2023 in a significant manner. Before all else, cost at $9.65. Most extreme cost $10.72. Least cost $9.32. The essentially normal for the month $9.93. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $10.02. Change for December 3.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024, which especially is very critical. Before all else, cost at $10.02. Most extreme cost $10.02. Least cost $8.08, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The normal for the month $9.20, which really is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.69. Change for January 13.3%, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at $8.69. Greatest cost $10.79. In every way that really matters. Least cost $8.69. The for the most part normal for the month $9.56, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $10.08. Change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset, cost at $10.08. Genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Most extreme cost $10.08. Least cost $7.88. Or so they thought. The normal for the month $9.13 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $8.47. Change for spring 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2024 incredibly. To start with, cost at $8.47 in a very significant manner. Most extreme cost $8.47. Kind of least cost $6.61. The normal for the month $7.67. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $7.11, change for April 16.1%, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024, first and foremost cost at $7.11, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Greatest cost $8.53, least cost $7.11. Or so they thought. The normal for the month $7.68. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $7.97, change for May 12.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. In the first place cost at $7.97 in an unpretentious manner. Greatest cost $7.97. Essentially least cost $6.66 incredibly. The normal for the month $7.44 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $7.16, change for June 10.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. To start with cost at $7.16. Greatest cost $7.16. Least cost $5.59. The sort of normal for the month $6.48. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $6.01, change for July 16.1%. Or so they thought. United States dollars to Avax swapping scale commonly equivalent to 0.0764 torrential slides per $1, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Today's reach, 0.0756 0.0769, the past AS nearby, 0.0760, or so they thought. Change for now plus 0.0004, plus 0.53%, which is very critical. United States dollars to Avax expectations for July 2023. Or so they sort of thought. At the outset cost at 0.077 torrential slides, which is genuinely huge. Greatest cost 0.083, kind of least 0.063. The normal for the month 0.075, which is genuinely critical. The United States dollars to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.077, change for July 0.0%, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to torrential slide estimate for August 2023. To start with cost at 0.077 torrential slides in a significant manner. Most extreme cost 0.092. Truly least 0.067. The normal for the month 0.078. The United States dollars to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.077, change for August 0.0%. United States dollars to Avax expectations for September 2023. In the first place cost at 0.077 torrential slides, or so they thought. Most extreme cost 0.090, least 0.077, in spite of prevalent thinking.